Okay, Merlin stretching, check him out. Oh yeah. Getting his wings and tail all stretched out there. Might be thinking about taking off. I had a hiker walk under him. He didn't seem to be too concerned about it. He did give us a good stretch though. We'll keep an eye on him. Him or her, whichever the case is, like I say. Been watching the open field, really concentrating over there. We have a few starlings flitting around there and a few other small birds. See, oh yeah, preening up a little bit more, getting the feathers all squared away. We like it when we find our Merlin. Yesterday, we had the peregrine falcons here. We had an adult tundra peregrine falcon, and there was two juvenile tundra peregrine falcons in the area, and they were flying by and interacting. So we got videos of those. And today, we're all excited about our Merlin here. Checking everything out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna scratch up a little bit. Got a great perch. That cap on that light makes a perfect perch for this little falcon. This is our Merlin. Been looking for him for a while. We always get excited when we find him. But this is the hot spot. Boeing Aerospace facility, Kent, Washington. They have an indoor tennis court, and this is almost right across the road from it. Okay, head's bobbing now. I think he's watching those birds again. He might be ready to make his try here. One of those starlings look vulnerable. He'll try to surprise one of them. There's some juncos in there, and there's a few other birds. And off he goes. All right. We'll see what happens.